Nice sunny day. 7th of April, it's about 15 degrees. Having some nice weather. We're all set up here for some hard work. So, have our barrels and that. And there's Buddy. 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 Is that dog deaf?
Yeah.
Buddy. Your big moment. You think she'll have a biscuit?
Buddy.
I'm just going to try show this bore. So this is the front cylinder. And you can see there where the piston was picking up on it. Now I'm not so much worried about those marks. It's more that thing there. And to a lesser extent this and this. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the honing stones down it. And you'll see. The plan is do that. Do a partial reassembly, enough to do a dry and wet compression test. And that'll let us know if we dodge the bullet or whether we need to get second hand barrel and piston. Right, just in preparation for honing. So there's the marks on the piston where she was picking up, and we're going to go in here and hopefully, I don't know if we can pick that up on the camera. These are the pock marks I'm worried about. So you can see the corresponding pickup errors on the cylinder. That's not too bad. But the thing I'm more concerned about is these lads here. And you see the sad part of it is you can still see original home marks on the bore. So only for the oil starvation, like there was hardly anywhere in this engine at all. We're just going to run the bejesus out of this. Eric's good grass.
The oil this? Oh.
They'll pick up the oil there. Suppose. Don't think they'll hold it, will they? And one more around the back. So the whole thing with the stones is not to turn too fast, but at all stages keep them moving. And don't forget down there, don't let that go beyond the top. So this is the bottom of the engine now. So I suppose if we say 5, Eric, and then we'll stop and review it. We'll get her in first and then. Right. Right. That might be enough for a minute. Anyway, have a look so you can see what you're doing. See the marks?
Yeah. Right, let's go with it for another half hour. And she shines.
You can get the piston in sideways. What do you do with the other one?
There.
This is where I think, like, the bike was laid up for about 10 years, so this is like she was partially weather seized. So we're going to run the hone down, just try dress that stuff off the barrel. So this is the before shot. You can see it all the way around. Just move it back and forth there, you might be able to see. I'll give it a dose. Do you do it?
I've done a bit, yeah.
Right? Well, I'll scoot you when you get it in then.
Right.
So, 40, 20, 10, really?
We go 30.
Okay, right, go on. It's all in the grass here. That's 27, 28, 29, 30. Just have a look. What are you thinking? Happy?
Yeah, happy-ish.